Well, hi there. Time to practice what you learned. Well, okay, this is Workbook Part 9b. Okay, before they were stars, do you remember? Celebrities, yes. Number 1, grammar, simple past. B, rewrite the sentences in the past. For example, I am at work now. What is the past tense? I was at work yesterday. For example, number 2, they aren't at home today. They weren't at home yesterday. Well done. In part B, write questions and answers. Picasso a painter? Was Picasso a painter? Yes, he was. The Beatles from the United States. Were the Beatles from the United States? No, they weren't. Good. Stop the video and do it. Check with your partner. Okay, let's answer it together. Number 3, he's at a party tonight. He was at a party yesterday or last night. Number 4, we aren't at school today. We weren't at school yesterday. Are you downtown now? Were you downtown last night? Number 6, she's at the airport this morning. She was at the airport yesterday afternoon. Number 7, is he late today? Was he late yesterday? I'm not in a hurry this morning. I wasn't in a hurry yesterday morning. Good. Part B, number 3. Was Princess Diana American? No, she wasn't. Number 4. Were Charles Dickens and Jane Austen writers? Yes, they were. Was Carmen Miranda Brazilian? Yes, she was. Were Monet and Matisse singers? No, they weren't. Number 7. Was Michael Jackson a waiter? No, he wasn't. Number 8. Were Steve Jobs and Thomas Edison American? Yes, they were. Well done, you did great. In the next part, complete the dialogues with was and wasn't or were and weren't. For example, were you at work last week? Yes, I was. Where were you last night? Say it. I was at a party. All right, number 3. Let's do it together. Was your friend at school yesterday? No, she wasn't. Number 4. Were your children on vacation last week? No, they weren't. Number 5. When was your brother in Boston? He was there last year. Number 6. Were you at the museum yesterday? No, we weren't. Well done. Pronunciation. Now, look, bird, up. Where were you? Were, right? Okay, the sound. Do it with your partner. Okay, listen and check.
File 9B, pronunciation, B. 1.
Where were you?
2.
She wasn't an actress.
You wasn't.
3.
Were they in Boston?
4.
Yes, they were.
Were.
5.
Was she at school?
6.
No, she wasn't.
Okay, well done. Let's see your answers. Yeah, these are the answers. For example, she wasn't. As up. Were they in Boston? Were as bird, right? Good. Now we have a reading. A famous painter. Read the text, mark the sentences as true or false. Okay? Let me read it for you. Today, the artist Vincent van Gogh is very famous, but he was never famous during his life. Vincent was Dutch. Dutch, where is that? Do you know? Netherlands? His family was from a small village in the Netherlands. Yes. His brother, Theo, was a very important person in his life. Vincent was usually poor, but his brother was always there to help him. Vincent was interested in school, but he wasn't a very good student. He was always good at painting, but he wasn't a painter at first. He was a teacher and assistant in a bookstore. After the age of 27, painting was his only job, but he wasn't successful. He was never really happy and he was often sick. When he was only 37, he ended his life. When Vincent was alive, he wasn't famous and his paintings weren't popular. Today, his pictures are very expensive and you can see them in museums all over the world. Okay, so let's do it together. First, stop the video. Check your answers with your partner. Good. Let's answer together. Vincent was from Germany. True or false? False. He was from the Netherlands, right? Theo van Gogh was Vincent's father. False. He was his brother. Vincent was a good student. False. No, he wasn't a good student. Vincent was a happy person. Again, false. Vincent's paintings weren't popular in his life. True. They got popular after he died. Good. Now, there are some highlighted words. Artist, village, poor, successful, sick, alive, popular. Check the dictionary. Okay. Now check it with your partner. Very good. This is on you. Okay. Vocabulary. In, at, on, with places. Where were these people yesterday? Write sentences with in, at, or on, and a word from the list. Train, street, work, boat, beach, the park. For example, where was she? She was on the train. Okay, this is on you. Stop the video. Do it. Good. Check with your partner. Play the video. Let's do it. Number 2. Where were they? They were in the park. Number 3. Where was he? He was at work. Number 4. Where were they? They were on the boat. Number 5. Where was he? He was on the street. And number 6. Where was she? She was at the beach. Well done. Good. Now we have a listening. Listen to the conversations. Okay? Choose A or B. Let's do it.
File 9B. Listening. 1.
Tracy, look at this picture on my phone.
Wow, that's a famous movie star, right?
Yeah, he was at the supermarket this afternoon.
Too bad. I was at the gym this afternoon.
I guess I'm lucky. He was very nice and friendly.
2.
How was your vacation?
Terrible. First, we were at the airport for 12 hours.
Oh, no.
Our hotel was terrible too, and the beach wasn't clean. The restaurant was bad too.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, and the weather was cold and windy every day. 3.
Was James at school today?
No, he wasn't. And he wasn't in school yesterday.
Oh, maybe he's sick.
But he was at the movie theater yesterday evening.
That's strange.
4. You weren't at home last week. Where were you?
I was in Paris.
Paris? Wow. How was it?
It was great. The food was good, and the views were beautiful.
How long was your vacation?
Oh, actually, I wasn't there on vacation. I was there for work.
Okay, let's see your answers. Well done. These are the answers. Good. And here are some words you can use: painter, artist, village, poor, successful, sick, alive, popular, lucky, clean. Well done. I'm proud of you. You're doing well. Every day, every day, every day.